So I'm coming up to another large roundabout called Robin Hood Island on the south of Birmingham in Hall Green, and I'm heading towards Kings Norton and Sturchley, which you can see is the long thin 1 o'clock direction line. It's the third mark off the circle for the roundabout, so it's exit 3. Normally, because it's beyond 12 o'clock, you might think, oh, I definitely need to be in the right hand lane. Well, certainly going into the roundabout, which looks quite extensive here, I do want to position on the right hand side, but while I'm waiting for a gap in traffic, I can look to identify where the exit roads are. One is there, another one is straight in front. So the third one is slightly over there. There's not much space between number 2 and number 3. So when I go onto the roundabout, I might actually put myself in the middle lane. It depends on what this black Mini on my left does and the van behind it. I'm not going to move out until all exit roads are clear. Now that car's leaving. Now I will go to the middle lane. Here comes exit 1. Red traffic signal ahead. Slowing down early, checking the white van behind is slowing as well, showing a brake signal, actually braking. Now I'm nicely set up for leaving either at exit 2 or exit 3, which is very soon after it. I don't want to have to make multiple lane changes in a short distance. That will be too much of a demand. The disadvantage of being in the middle lane is that I've got to check what's happening on both sides of me. So I'm getting ready to signal left. Not going to signal yet. Now I can signal nothing on the left, do a shoulder check, slow down so that I can leave in lane 1, check my right mirror and signal for the white van behind to move out for that obstruction that's blocking lane 1, moving out into lane 2. So alternatively, I could have gone into the lane that was close to the roundabout, lane number 3, and then I would have to, having identified just how close exits 2 and 3 are together, I would have to plan very carefully to budget my speed and the timing of my signal to give me enough time to be able to move across to the left